we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this drink. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting drinks and food names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this correctly? For reference, in Turkish it is said as kefir, kefir. In English there are two different ways that are used, either kefir, kefir, or kefir. If you consider this Turkish pronunciation that I was talking about before as kefir, it seems that the pronunciation as kefir is definitely the most correct one in English, kefir rather than kefir. Kefir is the closest you probably can get to the Turkish pronunciation as kefir. So do say kefir. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.